Have you ever think why an aeroplane can fly up high even though it's weigh around 90,000 pounds? Or why a spinner ball can follow a curved path? Mind blown, right? Basically, it's all about physics, and that's why I'm here. I'm Professor HAZID, and I'm gonna tell you how can this happen. In 1738, a Swiss mathematician and physician named Daniel Bernoulli had discovered a principle that can be derived from the principle of conservation of energy. Widely known as Bernoulli's Principle, which is named after himself, Daniel Bernoulli.
So sir, what does Bernoulli's Principle state?
Bernoulli's Principle states that an increase in the speed of a fluid occurs simultaneously with a decrease in pressure or a decrease in the fluid's potential energy. Or, to simplify it, when the velocity in a fluid increases, the pressure decreases. Let's take a look at this example. The boy is on the top part of a piece of paper, yet instead of going down, the paper moves upwards.
So what causes the paper to move upward?
The high velocity of the wind decreases the pressure of the top part of the paper, while the pressure of the bottom part remains the same. Its pressure is higher than the top part, making the paper moves upward.
Well sir, is there a way we could apply this in our daily life?
There is. Let's take a look at some of its application in the real world. The wings of an aeroplane shaped in a certain way is called aerofoil. The curvature of the top of the aerofoil allows the wings to move faster, and it decreases its pressure. On the other hand, the wings from the bottom, which is higher pressure, pushes the wings upwards, and thus even an aeroplane is possible to fly. Let's have another example of its application. You are in a subway waiting for your ride. For some reason, you are standing beyond the yellow line. The train passes you at high speed, causes the wind in front of you to move faster. The wind in front of you now has lower pressure, while the wind from behind remains the same. The higher pressure pushes you towards the moving train. If unlucky, you might be gravely injured. But it was just only a scratch. We have done learning about Bernoulli's Principle, and now it is quiz time. For the first question, what is the statement of Bernoulli's Principle? IKHWAN, can you answer it for me? For the viewers, you can pause this video to write your answer.
Okay Prof, sure. Bernoulli's Principle stated that an increase in speed of a fluid occurs simultaneously with decrease of pressure.
Very good. Okay, for the next question, explain how an aircraft is lifted when flying.
An aircraft can achieve lift because of the shape of its wings. They are shaped so that the air flows faster over the top of the wing and slower below. The high air pressure underneath the wings means higher pressure will therefore push the aircraft upwards through the lower air pressure.
Good job IKHWAN, you nailed it. That's all for now. I hope you have learned something. Bye!